Hi, my name is Andrew Brooks and I'm an employment lawyer in the workplace relations team at Law Squared. Today's training video is in relation to whistleblowing. Whistleblowing is such an important area because there are really strong legislative requirements in this space, so that's the legal part of it. The other reason it's important is because it really encourages people to come forward with concerns and issues, and a transparent and open environment is something that all of our clients should really strive for, and whistleblowing is just one piece of that puzzle. So every business should take whistleblowing really seriously. There are certain sorts of companies that actually legally need to. So we're talking about your public companies and your large proprietary companies, and that's a word we often throw around, but largely it means 50 mil in revenue, 25 mil in assets, and over 50 employees. That those kind of two bodies are the ones that legally need to take it seriously. But again, all businesses should. So the good thing about this space is that if you've kind of met all the criteria, whistleblowers actually receive quite a large amount of protections, which is really, I guess, fantastic because you want people to feel comfortable to come forward. So if they do it in the right way and they say to the right people, they can actually get a large amount of protections, including their identity can't be revealed, they can't be disciplined for raising a concern. So all of those comforts, I guess, are in place to make sure that people really come forward and feel safe in doing so. Businesses can really get this space wrong by not knowing that a disclosure is actually a whistleblower disclosure. So they end up just taking that concern and kind of sharing it around to a number of different senior managers and leaders. What they've kind of unknowingly done in that situation is that they've exposed both those senior leaders and the company to some pretty significant financial penalties, and then also weirdly for those individuals, criminal penalties. So they're actually up to maximum of 2 years of jail time for certain people that breach these obligations. So that's a really clear example about something that they didn't even understand was wrong and how it could end up with some really significant financial and criminal ramifications. The best way to set up whistleblowing processes in your business is really to take it like a lot of different things. So first step is documentation, so having the right policy in place. Second step is training your staff and your senior managers so they actually understand what it is you're talking about. Third step generally is to look to see if it makes sense to have a third-party whistleblower service that can receive and manage complaints. It really solves a lot of issues by having this. And then the fourth step is to really reiterate all of the first three. So to make sure it's part of our normal kind of team planning, that people know and are encouraged to come forward with concerns.